I'm Sienna Kossman with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're with Webb at Pulte Homes in Mesquite, Nevada. We're looking at the Hideaway model home in the Sun City Mesquite community. Let's get started.
Hi, welcome. I'm Danelle. I'm a sales consultant with Sun City Mesquite by Webb. 55 plus adult community, super active lifestyle here, and we're going to show you a Haven floor plan. We've got a builder move-in spec home that is ready for you to move right into. So it's 1,800 square feet. There's a lot of great features of this home that I'm really excited to show you. As we walk into the entryway, you'll notice a nice open foyer for our Haven. Right off the front of the home, you've got your secondary bedroom. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a den. Then as you walk down your hallway, to the right, you'll see your large laundry room. We've added some really fantastic cabinets and countertops in there. You've got your den over here on the other side that we've added some beautiful double doors to. So it's perfect for a craft room. If you've got extra family that's coming to stay that you need more space other than your secondary bedroom, this is a perfect spot to put them. My favorite part of this house is the kitchen space. When you move to Sun City Mesquite, there's, over 60 clubs that you could join into. It's a really fun group of people here, and so you're likely to start entertaining a lot more. So this house has a great kitchen. There's your gathering room and your cafe right off the eating area, and an outdoor patio, which really helps lend itself to the indoor-outdoor living style of living out here in the West. This home, we did add a sunroom to it, which is perfect for this lot just because you've got the beautiful mountains on the one side of your lookout, and then you've got mesas off to the other side of the backyard view. Sun City Mesquite is located in a beautiful valley, and so just about every lot has something nice to look at because we've got the mountains and the mesas. Plus we've got Conestoga Golf Club that's intertwined in our neighborhood too. There's actually 7 courses locally here in Mesquite. And then you've got your master bedroom right here. So we're going to walk through here. Your master bath has 2 sinks, and then we did a large walk-in shower off of this master. Beautiful deco strip in there. And a great size for your walk-in closet. And then off the master, again, we're trying to take advantage of the beautiful mesas. So in your spacious master, you've also got a bay window featured in this home too. We really are such a great community. Not only is Mesquite one of the safest towns in the whole state, it's also just a friendly place to be. Nevada is known for their retirement benefits, and so we have a lot of folks that come from a lot of different places. So just in general, people are starting fresh and they're wanting to make friends, and it's just a really great place to be. We're just an hour outside of Las Vegas where you can go shopping and fantastic shows and fine dining, but we're also just an hour outside of southern Utah where you can take advantage of Zion National Park, Bryce Canyon, Bryan Head Mountain. There's just a lot of great features about Mesquite. So the folks that don't know about us should check us out, and the folks that do know about us should share instead of hiding us. Anyways, I hope to see you soon.